Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and also setting up the Beats Studio Buds. So these were recently released by Beats and also Apple, I guess. And these are their brand new wireless earbuds, which have active noise canceling plus transparency mode, and this is at the price of $150 USD. So overall, that's a pretty nice price for a pair of earbuds, and if the things that they claim work really well, then I would definitely go for these earbuds. I did watch some videos on these and saw that the design was pretty cool overall. They are pretty small, and compared to like AirPods and stuff, they don't have a stem or anything, or they're a lot more similar to like Galaxy Buds and Galaxy Buds Plus, which is nice because I did personally like that design more. So let's go ahead and begin the unboxing experience. So in the front of the packaging, we can see the Beats logo on the top left, and then we also have an image of the earbuds right there, so you can go ahead and see what they look like before you unbox it. It also says Beats Studio Buds, active noise canceling and transparency mode right there, and then on the left it says the same thing, active noise canceling with transparency mode, powerful balanced sound. And then we also have some more information. So true wireless earbuds with USB-C charging case. So that is pretty nice that we get USB-C to charge these up. And I guess overall that's better because a lot of things are USB-C now and a lot more people own USB-C charging cables. We also do get some information on the battery life. So for the earbuds, we get 5 hours with the active noise canceling on, and if we have it off, we're going to get 8 hours of battery life. With the case, we're going to get another 10 hours if we have ANC on, and 16 hours if we don't have ANC on. And then overall, the total would be 15 hours with ANC on with the charging case and earbuds, and then 24 hours with ANC off. So that is a pretty good amount of battery life. 24 hours will get you through a couple days actually, because personally I only use my wireless earbuds like 2 to 3 hours a day, and so I will be able to use this for a long period of time before I need to charge up again. And then with ANC on, which generally I usually keep on, like on my Galaxy Buds Live, I did have them on, and so I will definitely keep them on with these as well. With ANC on, you will get around 15 hours, which is still plenty of enough time. So on the bottom, we just have some other things like the barcode, and then on the right side, we also have the Get It on Google Play. So there is a app for this, and then made for Apple TV, iPhone, iPad, plus it says Studio Buds Beats. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Let's go ahead and pull this up, and then we also have this little pull tab, and we are immediately introduced to our earbuds right here, which I will be putting to the side for now. We also get our, I guess this is like a little thing that gives us some instructions right here. As you can see, Apple Music and stuff. We do get a Beats sticker, which is nice, and then some other things which we don't need to read, so I will go ahead and put this back. Go ahead and do that, if I can manage to put it back. And then what else do we have? We also have some instructions here. So it gives us some things on the instructions. So on either end of the earbud, so right or left, one click is going to be play, pause, answer calls, end calls. Double tap is going to be skip a track. Triple tap is going to be go back a track. And then holding it down will turn on active noise canceling and also transparency mode, so it will switch between them. And then we also get some instructions on how to wear these. So it's gonna, step one is going to be putting it in and then sliding it down. Step two, you're just going to go ahead and twist it, which I will be testing it out when I try these on. So on the other end, we also get our charging cable. Fast fuel 5 minutes equals up to 1 hour charge, which is great. And then great sound starts with proper fit. So we have our ear tips inside here. We do have a large and large and small inside of here. And then we have the medium ear tips already on the Beats Studio Buds. So that is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side real quick and take out the Beats Studio Buds case with the earbuds. So let's take them off. Boom, right there. Put that to the side, put this to the side, and check these out. So the case looks really nice overall. We have one logo right there. It just has the Beats logo. It's a white logo on the black, matte black color that I got. We also have our USB-C charging port down there. And then our case overall looks really nice. It's very similar to the AirPods Pro, other than the fact that it is a little thicker, I believe, and also the sides are a little more curved. So that is okay. And overall, I do like the design of the case. So this shape is really nice. It's easily pocketable. My hands aren't really big and it fits. It's smaller than my palm, so I could get like 2 inside my hand easily. And overall, this looks really nice. So let's go ahead and check the earbuds out. Before we do that, I will go ahead and show y'all the pairing process on both an iOS device, an Apple device, and also an Android device. So as you can see, I have both the devices right here. Let me go ahead and bring that brightness down, and let's go ahead and open the case real quick. Boom. As you can see, the pairing process looks really similar on both of these. The one on the Apple device obviously does look a little better because Apple does own Beats and they do make their product, so it will look better. But we can also have a similar experience right here, as you can see on my Samsung device right here, which gives you that connecting option right there, and you just click connect, and it's an easy pairing process. So I will go ahead and put this to the side. I will pair it with my iPhone first so I can show off some of the features. So let's go ahead and click connect. Really easy to connect. Just click connect right there, and then it gives you some information. So 96% on the earbuds and 67% on the battery case. So that is nice, and done. That's it. So we will be checking out the settings right here. So as you can see, we have our noise cancellation mode, so we can just go like that, and boom, and then we can put it on off, and then we can go to transparency mode. So that is really nice. So let's go ahead and go to the settings real quick, which I will be doing like so, Bluetooth, and boom. So when you go to your settings and go to Bluetooth settings, you will be, I guess you will be able to see this right here, so you can actually control some of the things right here. There isn't too much to do, but you do get some controls anyways, which is really nice. So you can go ahead and change the name of it, which I will not do right now. We can also change the noise controls, and then our left and right. So as you can see, when you hold it down, press and hold Beats Studio Buds, noise control, and the right one is noise control is on. You can also turn on Siri, which is really nice, and it also gives you some other things right there. So that is really nice overall, and I will go ahead and go out real quick. So let's go ahead and put these on. Let me go ahead and show off the earbuds first. So this is what they look like. They're not too big. They fit inside their charging case perfectly, like so. Boom, and oops, almost dropped that, and boom. So they do have a weird design. They have like this little stem on the top. I will be shaking it real quick, and as you can see, these are not falling off, so the magnets are pretty good and they will hold on to it even if you drop it, I believe. I haven't dropped it, but I wouldn't want to drop it anyways, because if you get like a little nick on it, it will look weird. So let's go ahead and check these out real quick. Let's go ahead and put the case to the side, and boom. So these are what our earbuds look like. So we have the Beats logo right there. We have a little stem right here. As you can see, it like comes out, and this is where our touch controls are. So I could go ahead and press these, and you're able to click these. If you can see that, you're able to click these, which is nice. So you will actually get a normal physical feeling that you clicked it, and you will be sure that you did. The ear tips do look very similar to the AirPods Pro ear tips, and I actually personally like these ear tips more on earbuds, and so this is what they look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on real quick, and I guess explain to y'all what they sound like. Well, not the sound, but I just want to test out like the transparency mode and the noise canceling mode. So I will go ahead and put it on. I am currently doing that, and boom. So I have them on right now. They do sound, not sound, but they have canceled out some noise already. But let's go ahead and check out the noise canceling. So it's on noise cancellation mode right now, and overall it's pretty nice. It has canceled out some of the noise, so let's go ahead and go to off. And off just sounds okay. My voice did sounds a little more blurrier now. It's not actually canceling out the noise, so I do have the earbuds in, and they are making like this suction, so I can't hear very well outside, but still with the noise cancellation I'm able to hear. I'm not able to hear most of the sounds, and also my sound doesn't my voice doesn't sound weird. So let's go to transparency mode now. And boom, I just switched to transparency mode. So overall this sounds pretty good. It is a little fizzy. My voice does sound a little weird, not too weird, but it just sounds a little weirder than before. I would have to speak with someone so I can actually understand it and go outside with this to test it out, but as of right now, the transparency mode is okay. I'd give this like a 5 out of 10 maybe, and then the noise cancellation mode, which I'll switch to again. The noise cancellation mode, I'd actually give this like a 6.5, 7 out of 10. This is a little better than my Galaxy Buds Live, which I would like to say right away. I'd like to point that out, but it's not too good. It's not like AirPods Pro level, and so I would give this like a 7 out of 10 from the wireless earbuds category of these devices. So overall, they do fit pretty well in my ears, and so far they do feel pretty comfortable. The medium fit usually does fit the best for me anyway, so I didn't even switch it out, and right now I'm having a perfect time having these on. It is a little weird to speak when I have noise cancellation on, but I will go ahead and take these off real quick. And so I have them off now, as you can see. Overall, my thoughts on these, they were pretty good. Not too many things about it. They are okay earbuds. They are only $150 USD when comparing it to other AirPods. Like even the AirPods 2 cost more than this, and so that is a pretty nice price for these. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video right here, and I will be switching over to my Android device so we can check out the settings on there as well, because we actually have to download the Beats app for this, and so it will be a different experience overall, but the settings won't change too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it right here and get onto my Samsung device. So I got them connected now. It was a really easy process, almost as easy as on your iPhone, other than the part that you actually have to download the Beats app for this, and that is okay overall. It doesn't take too long, it just takes a couple more seconds, and so I already have it downloaded. So as you can see, we get to see our earbuds battery life, which is 96%, and then we also get the case's battery life, which is 65%. We also have all of our settings, so we can switch to noise canceling mode, we can switch to transparency mode, and all of these work the same as your iPhone or your iOS device. So let's go ahead and put this to the side. We can also rename it. I will go ahead and put it to off. We can also rename it, product features, you can explore, and then press and hold. All the same settings that we do get on our iOS device. So nothing too different other than the fact that you actually have to download an app for this, and that is the only difference. So overall, I guess the use case of this app or these earbuds on either Samsung devices or iOS devices will be very similar, and so you will not have an issue using it on any of the devices, unlike let's say with AirPods or Samsung Galaxy Buds. If you tried to use them with an iPhone device, if you tried using Samsung Galaxy Buds on an iPhone, you would have some issues, and if you tried using AirPods on a Samsung device, you'd have some issues, and these issues would mainly be not being able to use the features properly. But now with these Beats, with Beats' new Studio Buds, we're able to use it on Android devices without losing any features, and also iOS devices. So that is overall a really nice thing to know, and I just want to put that out there. So that is basically about it. Overall, my thoughts on these earbuds are pretty nice. They do feel really good. The fit was really nice, especially in my ears, and I did like it overall. I don't know how long I'll be able to wear these in one go, but so far they are pretty comfortable. They have a really nice case design. I would really love to check out the red ones as well if I do get my hands on it, but I did go ahead and choose the black ones because that would be the color that I would choose when I'm going to daily drive these earbuds, and so the black ones were the best choice for me. We also do have our little LED indicator, which just indicates when it's connecting, when it's charging, and all that. So overall, these are pretty nice. They feel pretty solid in the hand, and you will definitely love these for $150. The transparency mode was a little weird. It wasn't the best, and that's why I gave it a pretty low score compared to other things. But other than that, the noise canceling overall was really nice. I will have to test it out more outside so we can get a more real world view of it. And other than that, these Beats Studio Buds are pretty good. So if you're looking out for earbuds, these are one of them. Also, there are the new Pixel Buds A series, which you could also check out. But overall, these are really nice earbuds, and if you bought these, you would not be disappointed. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.